गोंयांत मायनिंग परत सुरू जावप गरजेचें आसा. केंद्र सरकार गोंयांत मायनिंग परत सुरू करपा बाबतींत गंभीर दखल घेता. मायनिंग सुरू जावपाक आतां ऑर्डिनन्स हो एकमेव उपाय आसा म्हण नगर नियोजन मंत्री सरदेसाय हांणी उलोवन दाखयलें. आरडीएक्सको खातीर परवरच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झल रॉड्रिग्स.
आनी हांव डेलिगेशनान जेन्ना वतलो तेन्ना म्हाका गॅरंटी आहा सगळें जावन येतलें अशें न्ही. बट द पॉयंट इज दॅट the government is seized of the matter. This is doing of the Supreme Court's decision that is affecting all of us. Everybody is concerned. Mr. Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi even has said that central government is concerned. So I don't think there is reason to believe that there is a neglect of the mining affected people. I was now because I had other engagements, but one fact remains that eventually the government will have to move an ordinance. This is what I believe. But other efforts need to be done. So let them do the efforts. Eventually it may come to what I am saying. See, I am not been proven wrong as of now. Wait for the eventual result. It may mean the same thing.
Other thing, if you were a part of this delegation, you would have done this issue.
I have not been part of the delegation because there are enough people representing the mining affected people, people like Cabral, people like the Honorable Speaker, who know the actual heart and minds and what the sufferings of the mining affected segment of Goa's society. And they would be able to express their views.
So finally, ordinance is the only solution, you feel?
Eventually, I feel that I am more direct because I know you have to knock every door of every court before reaching the destination. I feel this finally solution would be the final destination.